Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right into ClickUp and learning how to create custom fields in ClickUp to better organize your tasks and projects. If you feel like your tasks don't have enough structure or you need more specific information inside your workflow, custom fields are exactly what you need. They allow you to add extra data to tasks so you can filter, sort, and track everything in a much more organized way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create custom fields, apply them to tasks, and use them to improve your productivity. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp on your computer or browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Spaces. This is where all your main work areas are stored. Now, choose the space where you want to create your custom field. This is important because custom fields only work inside the space you select, so make sure you choose the correct one. Once you are inside the space, look for Custom Fields section. Here, click on Add Custom Field. Now, ClickUp will ask you to choose the type of field you want to create. This defines what kind of information you want to store. You can choose from text, number, dropdown, checkbox, or date fields. Each one is useful depending on what you are tracking. For example, if you want to track project stages, a dropdown field works best. If you want to track deadlines, a date field is more suitable. After choosing the type, the next step is to name your field. Pick a clear and simple name so it is easy to understand later. For example, you can name it Project Stage or Project Priority depending on your use case. Good naming is important because it keeps your workspace clean and easy to manage. Once you have named your field and selected the type, click Create. Now your custom field is successfully added to your ClickUp space. Next, let's use it inside a task. Open any task in your project. Inside the task, scroll down until you see Add Field. Click it and you will see the custom field you just created. Select it and it will be added to the task immediately. Now you can start entering data into it based on your workflow. This is where custom fields become powerful because instead of only using task titles or descriptions, you now have structured information that helps you organize everything better. You can also filter tasks based on these fields, which makes managing large projects much easier. Before we finish, remember this: the more you customize your ClickUp workspace, the more control you have over your productivity. Custom fields are a simple but powerful way to do that. And that's it. You now know how to create and use custom fields in ClickUp, step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.